Hello everyone, welcome to AKP's IT Tech. Today I'm going to set up my ESP32 without using Arduino IDE. Yes, I have decided not to use Arduino IDE anymore. So what next? What I'm going to use? Let's find out. So here I have VS Code. Yes, the popular programming IDE. So I'm going to use VS Code for Arduino coding. Let's start the journey. Now in the VS Code, let's go to the left hand side and select extensions. Now in the search box, type PlatformIO. Yes, PlatformIO ID in VS Code. So let's start. Now it's time to install the PlatformIO. Let's click on install. Now in the left hand side, you can see the PlatformIO icon. It's ready for use, right? Now it's time to explore the PlatformIO ID in VS Code. First, explore all the icons associated with the PlatformIO. First, the home icon. After that, the icon to build the project, and here it is. Next we have the upload icon. Next, delete, test, serial monitor, and at the end we have the icon for serial port. Now it's done. Let's start our first project. Let's type a project name. After that, we need to select the board. So here my project name is ESP32 Blink. Next, the microcontroller board selection. So here let's type ESP32 dev module. So here I am using ESP32 dev module. Now it's available. Let's select it. After that, the framework. Now we have two frameworks, Arduino and ESP IDF. So I am going with the Arduino. Later I will use the ESP IDF. Now click on finish. It's going to start the project workspace. It's going on. Now the project workspace is ready. In the left hand side Explorer window, you can have the ESP32 Blink project. So let's explore all the components associated with the project ESP32 Blink. Here we have PIO. Next, include, lib, source, and at the end, PlatformIO.ini. So these are the components we need for this project. Now let's go to the source and click on main.cpp. Here we are going to write the code that's going to blink the LED connected with the ESP32. That's it. For the time being, I'm not going to discuss in details. Now let's connect the LED with ESP32. Next, connect the USB cable with the ESP32 board. Now it's done. Now it's time to find the serial port associated with the ESP32. Now here lots of options are available. So which one is the right port? Let's find out. Let's go to the Windows search box and here type device manager. Now device manager is available. So let's click on the ports option. Right. So here you can have the Silicon Labs CP210 port and here it's COM6. Right. Now if you don't have the port associated with the ESP32, you can install these drivers, the Silicon Lab CP2102 driver, right? And that will fix your problem. Now let's write the code. Okay, so here I have the code that's going to blink the LED connected with the ESP32. So the LED is connected with the pin number 15. So let's modify the pin and here is 15. Now the code is ready. It's time to build the project, right? So let's go to the view and after that command palette. Here you need to search PlatformIO build or you can type build also. It's going to give you all the options associated with the build. So right now you can see the PlatformIO build option. there is another option. You can use the build icon also that we have discussed at the beginning, right? So it's fine. Let's click on the build icon, but here I'm going to use the command palette one. So let's click on PlatformIO build. Now the compilation process started. Let's wait a couple of seconds while the compilation is going on. So if you compare with Arduino IDE, I think the process is quite fast here. So let's see. Now it's complete. Next, we have to upload the code into the ESP32. For that, let's go to the view, next command palette, and here search for upload. So you can type PlatformIO upload or simple upload. It will show you all the options, right? So for the time being, it's showing PlatformIO upload. That's it. Next, yeah, there is an icon for upload, right? Let's upload the code. And the process started. So right now you can see the writing process is going on, and yeah, it's done, I think. Yes, the LED connected with the ESP32 is blinking. So are you agree with me that the PlatformIO setup is better than Arduino IDE? If yes, put your comment in the comment box.